Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X200 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the users and accounts. Then let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, and here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this and tap on Next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Here, Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to read more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to, just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, confirm it with OK, and confirm it with your screen lock. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.